SHUNDE Shinechef Electric Appliance Company Limited was established in 2008. Located in the famous electric appliances town, SHUNDE of China. The company is a high new-tech enterprise specialized in R&D, production and sales of stand mixers and other motor-related kitchen appliances. Shinechef covers 50,000 square meters office and factory property. We have advanced industrial technology, world-grade mold, precise testing instruments, and other professional facilities. We also have a strong work team, professional engineers, experienced quality controllers, aggressive salespersons, skilled workers. All of these make us a reliable manufacturer of annual production capacity, 1 million units stand mixers. Shinechef always focus on products and quality. We have over 50 models of stand mixer, from 3 liters 500 watts to 10 liters 2000 watts, with various designs and functions. For all products, we have GS, CE, ATL, CB, CCC, ROHS, LFGB, REACH certificates, and the company is ISO 9001 and BSCI certified as well. At present, our products are all sold in Europe, America, Middle East, South America, etc. Welcome talented people to join us, and welcome customers all over the world to cooperate with us. We would like to be your best and long-term business partner.